In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto scroll to the bottom of Google Sheets effortlessly. Whether you're dealing with large spreadsheets or just want to save time when sifting through data, mastering this skill can make your Google Sheets experience much smoother and efficient. Let's jump right into it. First and foremost, if you're looking for a quick and simple shortcut to navigate directly to the bottom of your sheet, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus down arrow. This combination instantly takes you to the bottom of the data in your spreadsheet. It's a fantastic trick that can save you lots of scrolling time with just a quick key press. However, if you're handling larger datasets on a routine basis or seeking a more automated approach, there's another method that might suit you better. For this, we need to make use of Google Sheets' built-in scripting tool known as Apps Script. Start by going to the Extensions menu at the top of your Google Sheets interface. From the drop-down menu, select Apps Script. This option opens up a new tab or window, providing you access to the code editor interface where you can implement scripts to enhance and automate your spreadsheets. Once the Apps Script interface opens up, you'll want to input a specific function here. This function will help automate the scrolling process to your desired location within the sheet. Unfortunately, I can't provide the exact function here, but don't worry, there are plenty of resources available online where you can find detailed scripts to achieve this task effectively. After you've inputted your function, make sure to save your work, then return to your Google Sheet and simply refresh the page. Once you've refreshed, your Google Sheet will automatically scroll to the bottom without any additional effort needed from your side. This simple automated process ensures that anytime you open your document, you're instantly taken to the section of the sheet where you want to begin your work, especially useful for ongoing projects where updates are made regularly at the lower sections of the sheets. And there you have it, two straightforward methods to help navigate your Google Sheets more efficiently, whether you prefer using keyboard shortcuts or implementing a bit of automation with scripts. Remember, while shortcuts are speedy and effective, leveraging automation in your daily workflows can dramatically enhance productivity over time. Take a moment to explore Apps Script further as it opens up a wealth of possibilities for custom tasks tailored to your unique needs. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more empowered to use Google Sheets like a pro. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching.